Porsche has been testing the electric version of the Macan on public roads for the last almost 2 years, and this process will finally come to its culmination with the full and official debut of the vehicle next year. You don't have to wait until Porsche lifts the veil on its fully electric SUV to see its design, though a new batch of spy photos shows a prototype of the model with almost no camouflage covering the exterior. This is by far our best look at the Macan EV so far, and it reveals the front fascia with Taycan-esque headlights. There is some black tape covering small sections of the lighting clusters, but other than that, the front end is virtually undisguised. The lower section of the fascia features a trapezoidal-formed bumper with the shape extending into the lower bumper diffuser. Above that, in the two corners of the bumper, there's a pair of additional lights that seem to have cornering function. The rear end has a tad more black tape covering the tail lights, which seem to be connected by a LED bar in the middle. There's also some black camouflage on the bumper, but finally, the fake exhaust pipes underneath the bumper are gone. Some of the photos clearly show rear wheels that steer in the opposite direction to the front ones. Under the skin, the Macan EV shares its premium platform electric platform with a similarly sized electric SUV from Audi. In its most potent version, the electric version of the Macan will have as much as 603 horsepower and more than 738 pound-feet of instant torque, coming from a dual-motor configuration. If you are not a fan of electric Porsches, you'll probably be happy to hear the combustion-powered Macan will stick around longer than initially planned. As to when the electric Macan will debut, Porsche targets a full reveal in 2024. We have to wait a few more months to find out the exact launch date, but we expect the Macan EV to hit the market somewhere around the middle of next year.